Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing really well. So today I'm going to talk about a really important topic, which is oiling your belly button. So guys, did you know oiling your belly button has so many benefits? I know it sounds crazy, but it's actually true. So the first benefit is it will clear your belly button. There won't be any dirt. I know we don't really concentrate on our belly button. We're like, it's just there. Nobody really thinks about it. But you know what? If you put a little bit of coconut oil, it will help your belly button clean. It will be really clean. The second one is if you have stomach pain, this is like my Dadima's nuske. Just apply castor oil onto your belly button and leave it. And just lie down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Your belly pain, your stomach pain will actually go. And the third one is if you have any menstrual pain, this is really good too. So you can apply castor oil or a parachute oil onto your belly button. And did you know applying coconut oil is really good for your vision? It's not only for your head and your body, you can also apply it on your belly button. Let it stay for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will improve your vision and it will also help in your skin. It will really make your skin shine. And the last one is, guys, if you have joint pain, or even if your parents, your grandparents, if they have joint pain, you can tell them this. Apply some oil or castor oil or coconut oil onto your belly button. There won't be any joint pains. So guys, these were a few tips on how you can take care of your health and your body. Apply oil on your belly button and see the difference, and let me know in the comment section below if this really helped you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. And I'm also on Instagram, go follow me there. It's called Leena Official, and I will see you later, guys. Bye.